This enzyme supplement is used to help people who have trouble digesting milk and other dairy products due to lactose intolerance. Lactose is a type of sugar found in milk products, and the body normally produces lactase enzyme to help break it down. Lactose intolerance can occur at different ages, and while one way to treat it is to avoid milk products, this can result in a lack of important nutrients. Some people use lactose-free milk or milk substitutes, but most people with low lactase enzyme levels can tolerate small amounts of milk products at one time. Taking lactase enzyme with milk products as directed can help prevent upset stomach, abdominal bloating/cramping, gas, and diarrhea caused by these products. Remember to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Make sure to follow all the directions on the product package or as prescribed by your doctor. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical assistance. If you experience any unusual effects from taking this medication, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. However, this medication usually has very few side effects, and many people using it do not have serious side effects. Although a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take this medication, it's recommended to follow your doctor's instructions. Additionally, the daily dosage will also be determined by your healthcare provider based on your individual needs. Before taking dairy relief tablet, Chewable, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have any health problems or are planning to have surgery, make sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Additionally, if you are breastfeeding, it's recommended to consult your doctor before taking this medication. As always, it's best to talk to a healthcare professional for personalized advice. When taking dairy relief tablet, Chewable, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safety and effectiveness of your treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Remember to keep all your medical appointments and follow up with your doctor as needed. It's important to check food labels, as lactose can also be present in non-dairy products. If you experience discomfort or bloating after consuming dairy products, you may want to consider using dairy relief tablet, Chewable. These tablets contain an enzyme called lactase, which helps break down lactose, the sugar found in dairy products. By taking these tablets before consuming dairy, you may experience relief from symptoms such as gas, diarrhea, and stomach pain. It is recommended to take 1 to 3 tablets with the first bite of dairy-containing food or drink. The optimal timing for taking dairy relief tablet, Chewable, is before consuming dairy products. Always follow the dosage instructions on the packaging and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Make sure to check the storage information on the package before keeping the dairy relief tablet, Chewable. Always keep it out of reach of children and pets. It's important not to flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.